Ensure the module is properly seated before engaging the locking mechanism.
Checked. Recalibrating the alignment now.
Cross-referencing the manifest now. Seals look good.
Confirmed. The serial number matches the digital record.
Confirmed flawless. Route to process A.
Submerged in fluorescent penetrant. Microscopic flaws in the tie are revealed under UV light.
This pre-assembly ensures the readiness of critical interface components, bridging the gap between Russian airframe systems and foreign mission computers.
A specialized automated guided vehicle moves slowly and deliberately, carrying large airframe components across.
Stabilizing these proprietary components is critical. The rapid thermal cycling eliminates early life failures before integration into the Su-30MKI.
That's the last one. Secure the clamps.
Clamps secured. Activating transport.
Position. Alignment locked at Station 3.
Roger. Applying torque now. Data confirmed. Green.
The specialized aluminum ductwork directs cool air to the heat-sensitive French and Israeli electronics.
All right, easy now. Just a few more millimeters to the left.
Copy that. Coming left slowly.
Watch the clearance on the starboard side. Okay, settling into the mounts now. Clear. Starting the torque sequence on the mainstays.
And verify connection to the French system. Looks good.
Cross-check the Russian interface parameters.
All parameters aligned. Validation complete.
We have a stable connection on the data bus. Beginning the threat simulation sequence.
Reaction time is nominal. Validation complete. 3.1 milliseconds.
The emitters are at full strength now.
We're seeing some minor fluctuations on the Israeli radar altimeter.
But the French MFDs are holding steady.
What's the reading on junction 9?
2.2 millimeters, right within tolerance.
Ensure the edges are uniform on the tail section. Confirmed. The fidelity of the IAF scheme is exact.
Echo, ground power stable, initiating systems check.
Roger. Comms check on 125.8.
Loud and clear, IFF mode 5 engaged. Vectoring sequence complete. Engine performance is nominal. Test concluded.
All parameters are within tolerance. Ready for sign-off, Ms. Dubois.
Confirmed. The Flanker-H is compliant.
Check the tolerances on section gamma.
Looks good, but the alignment needs adjustment before welding.
Okay, easy now. Bring it down slowly.
Clearance looks good on this side. Watch the cabling near the panel.
Meticulously replicating the Su-30MKI's complex data architecture, these harnesses are routed through special...
The electrical load simulation is tracking perfectly with the flanker specifications.
Agreed. Hardware in the loop verification successful.
Initiating pull test on connector 4.
Applying maximum rated tension, reading steady at 500 newtons.
Confirmed. Connection secure.
Secure the impact wrench.
Bolts are clear. Get the crane ready for the lift.
As you can see, validating the integrated French and Israeli subsystems is critical for the Su-30MKI.
System integrity check.
That's the last cable secured.
Good. Powering down the console now.
The Integrated Avionics Test Bench, or IATB, standing ready. Symbolized